Hello everyone, the University of Denver is excited to give you a guide to the Common Application. We're going to get started by creating an account. Make sure all of your information is accurate when you're creating your account. You're going to want to use an email that you check regularly. When choosing a password, make sure to save it as we do to your passwords or in another way that works for you so that you can get into your account always. When you're working your way through, make sure you click on the year that you're applying for. Most of you will be the 2023 to 2024 year. Next, you'll want to fill in your full name and preferred name if it's different from your given name. After that, put in your birthday and move on to phone number and address. Your phone number should again be one that you have access to, and your address should be your home address. After that, check the box for the privacy policy and create your account. You will then be welcomed to your homepage where you can navigate to all of your Common Application tabs. You can start by going to the My Colleges tab. That will then take you to the College Search tab. Through this, you can then type in University of Denver and add us to your colleges. This will bring you back to your dashboard and you can go to the My Colleges tab where you will now have access to all of DU's application information, like dates, contact information, and more. In this area, you can also answer questions DU provides to get to know you better, give us optional recommendations from others, as long as they're not blood relatives, and review and submit your Common Application. Now focus on the Common Application portion. If you move on to that tab, you can fill out all of the information through different sections. The profile is all basic information about you. Some of the other sections you will need help on from others. The family section, you will need information like your parents' birth years and finances, so make sure to get your family's help on that. In the education section, you will need information on your academic career thus far, which will require help from your school and college counselor. The testing section is optional for DU, so if you feel it's representative of you academically, submit them, and if you feel it's not representative of your academic career, then you're welcome to abstain. The activity section, you will need to fill in your clubs and extracurricular activities. Finally, with the writing section, we welcome you to write about anything you feel is important for us to know about you. We're excited to receive and review your applications, and if you have any questions for DU, please reach out through the contact information provided on the University of Denver page in the Common Application. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.